The push versus pull debate has been a long-standing argument between screen printers. In my opinion, both are useful to screen printers for different reasons. I have a video on this same subject that goes into deeper detail, but with only standard squeegees. This time, we are involving the Easy Grip squeegee into the conversation. With the push stroke, you can use your body's weight for downward force to deposit ink on the garment. It's easier on your wrist and body, so you're able to print for longer periods of time. The disadvantage is that it's harder to get sharp or low angles with your squeegee. This limits your control over the amount of ink laid down on the shirt. This also makes it harder to maintain high detail for more complex prints like halftones. With the Easy Grip, it's easier to maintain your squeegee angle while pushing, and it's still just as easy on the joints as a regular squeegee while pushing. But the act of pushing still has its limits. The ink deposit and detail will still be the same regardless of the type of squeegee. The pull stroke, you're able to control the angle of the squeegee better than a push stroke. At low angle, you can put more ink down, and less ink the higher angle you go. The downside of pulling is the strain it has on your wrists and shoulders. Now, when you add in the Easy Grip, the major disadvantages of pulling go away. There's tremendous relief on your wrists and shoulders with its grip when compared to traditional squeegees. And you can still maintain the high detail and control you get with a pull stroke. Overall, pulling is great for a lot of jobs, but has big stress on your body. Push is easier on the body, but it doesn't have the precise control and detail that you can get with pulling. The Easy Grip squeegee will make printing with a pull stroke much easier on your body. With the push stroke, it works just about the same as a traditional squeegee. I hope this helped you decide what technique and squeegee you want to use. Let us know if you push or pull, and like and subscribe if this helped you out.